Today we're going to be making one of our favorite fresh juices using the Kuvings juicer. Ingredients are celery, carrots, apples, parsley, ginger, lemon/lime. If you hate celery like us, don't worry, you can barely taste it in this juice. Power drink loaded up with all your necessary nutrients, vitamins, and will do wonders for your immune system. We love using the Kuvings juicer for everyday juicing. It's a small but very powerful machine. It's quieter than others, and it will juice vegetables and fruits in seconds. Don't worry about chopping or slicing, this does the work for you, and it's got an awesome design. In the next video, we'll be using this machine to make sorbet, smoothies, and almond milk. Bismillah. Amazing, this is the way to drink it. If you decide to make this recipe, we would love for you guys to tag us on Instagram. We love seeing your posts. It really encourages us to keep on going. Also, please let us know in the comments what you would like us to make in the next video. We read and respond to every comment. See you in the next one.
Subscribe, like,
and share!